Locked out of your Phantom wallet and staring at your crypto inaccessibility? Don't worry. This video will guide you step by step on how to regain access using your private key. First, locate your private key. This is a string of characters you should have safely stored when you initially created your Phantom wallet. Never share this key with anyone, as it grants full access to your funds. Keep it secure but accessible for this process. Open your Phantom wallet, or if you've uninstalled it, reinstall it from the official source on the main screen. Instead of creating a new wallet, look for the option to add Connect Wallet or Import Wallet. This might be in the Settings menu or directly visible on the initial setup screen. You should see multiple options for importing, including Recovery Phrase, Hardware Wallet, and Import Private Key. Make sure to choose Import Private Key. This is crucial, as we're using your private key to regain access. Very carefully, paste your private key into the designated field. Double-check every character to ensure accuracy. A single mistake will prevent you from regaining access. After pasting, Phantom will prompt you to create a new password for your wallet. Choose a strong, unique password and confirm it when prompted. It is different from your private key. Once you confirm your account details, your access will be restored. Congratulations! Your Phantom wallet should now be accessible with your restored account. Remember, always prioritize the security of your private key and recovery phrase to prevent future loss of access to your crypto.